Hi, my name is Inam. I have 15 years of IT industry background. Worked on different platforms from Windows, Wintel environment, Linux environment, and Novell as well. I've done the Microsoft certifications, which include MCP, MCSA, MCSC, SCCM, Exchange. I have done Linux certifications, Citrix certifications, also the VMware certification as well. After coming to Canada, I search for institutes which are in IT industry to enhance my skill and meet the Canadian market. I was doing online search, come across NetSoft, and this is how I found it out. I have taken in time to time I'm taking some courses with NetSoft. I have taken the Active Directory workshops. I have taken the VMware workshops. Then I finally joined the NetSoft infrastructure program. So far I have gone through almost like 9 different courses, and I'm pretty happy with that. The quality of education in NetSoft is amazing. It's not only like they have material which is up to date according to the standard what IT industry needs. Their trainers are very helpful, friendly staff. The environment is amazing. So I think it's a complete package of everything. After coming to Canada, I've been to many different institutes. I was looking for a quality education, and I have seen the programs. And when I come to NetSoft, the programs are amazing. They are in details. The best thing about it is the hands-on practice, which I was looking into it. I'm more on the technical side, and with theory, with labs, it's the best combination. Instructors at NetSoft are very well trained. They are Microsoft trained certified instructors. They know what the industry standards are, what the current market requirements are. They are not only delivering the lectures, they are helping you in every step, preparing you how to deal those challenges which current IT industry has. And the best thing is the hands-on practice, and instructors are on each step they are helping you, which I haven't found it anywhere else than NetSoft so far. At NetSoft, the best thing I like about the instructors, they are not delivering the lecture, they are challenging the students also. Lots of assignments, they give you an idea and they make you understand it, and they challenge us to complete and make that idea into a real thing. Signing on with NetSoft means a lot of commitment, dedication, because it's not only you are studying, you are also doing the hands-on labs, and you are also putting extra efforts outside the institute at your own place, and which means like you have to cancel a lot of your commitments you have made, like extracurricular activities, stuff like those. Lot of success rate. There are some students in my class which came from totally different backgrounds, not IT related at all, and within 3 to 6 months they achieved their target and they are on good IT positions. There are lots of things you have to commit with yourself. So with the studies at NetSoft, plus the hands-on labs at NetSoft, I am putting roughly around 2 to 4 hours a day. The best thing about NetSoft is instructors are always there, trainers are always there to help you at every step. Also, NetSoft has the best program called Hire Me, which prepares the student for the interviews and also prepare the student according to the job market. Joining the NetSoft, I feel proud of myself because I landed into the right institute which has prepared me for the future, also for the current IT standards. In NetSoft program, every course is amazing, but out of all these courses, my favorite course, if I have to pick, is Citrix and VMware. When I joined the NetSoft, I have the knowledge of these courses, but after taking these programs, I am very much confident on myself that I am fully prepared. If anyone wants to join NetSoft, either they are upgrading their skills or they are breaking into IT industry, this is the best place because NetSoft prepared the student to meet all those IT current standards, and it is the best place to invest your time and the money.